Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have a fabulous week and ready for the weekend. Today, Friday, is Friday freebie. You get a free printable for all your junk journal, card making and all your paper craft project. Free printables that you guys can download straight on my Facebook group or get sent to the newsletter every Friday at 9 p.m. So keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Super quick video. I promise I won't talk, I won't say anything. Because yeah, on Wednesday I said it was a quick video, so I think it turned out to be like half an hour. So but anyway, so today Friday freebie is a free printable that you guys can download and get sent to the newsletter. So this week I am gifting you 2 pages. I've been very gorgeous and very good lately with these 2 freebies rather than 1. But yeah, I thought, yeah, why not? You guys deserve the best. So yeah, 2 pages. This is for the first, when you get a gorgeous background with this really nice dark damask paper, not damask, like tapestry paper. And the second one basically is a collection of 7 tags. 5 of those have the same size and 2 of those are slightly bigger. Now these papers here have been designed using the August VIP papers. What's the VIP papers? In case you just tuned to watch this video and you don't know me before, I have a subscription of digital papers on my website where every month for 12 months, no matter when you join, you get at least 2 digital papers sent to your email address. Sometimes it's 3. And then you get a nominated 20% of discount, again to use for the entire year on my website. And this 20% includes the sales as well. So when I got clearance digital papers, you can use the 20% towards that as well. So let me show you quickly, let me show you the papers where I took inspiration from. The VIP papers are papers that have been designed specifically for my VIP members. The VIP members is like basically a subscription service I offered on my website. So once you register, you just pay once. So for example, if you register today, you pay in August one time and you get every month for 12 months, you get surprise digital papers sent to your email address in the beginning of the month. So yeah, it's very really nice treat. And these papers are only for the VIP members. They're not available for everybody else to purchase on the website, hence why they're called VIP members. As well, when you sign up, you get a 20% nominate discounted code that you can use on my website for the duration of the subscription, which is 12 months. And this code can be used to on top of sale papers as well. So if papers are 99p, you get a 20% on top of that. And this code is specifically designed for you. So it's like a bespoke code. Also, to make it even more special, every month you get an offer. It could be a 3 for 2, could be a 50% off, could be a free paper, could be a free mini kit. For example, this month the offer is an additional free mini kit of 4 pages. Okay, so let me show the kit first and then we're gonna have a little play because I've got a couple of ideas I want to do with you guys. So the first kit is called Vintage Tapestry. And it's a collection of 10 paper. Inspiration behind this was, of course, the tapestry. I imagine like a really nice sofa full of flowers and butterflies, and I just put some cupids in there. And the tone are all like warm tones of like light brown, beige, burgundy, dark green, very yeah, very vintagey, very, yeah, very florally, but like vintagey floral, if it makes sense. So this one page, you got a couple of butterflies and you got lovely Cupid in there. Second page, which you get more large scale florals, some more butterflies and another cheeky Cupid in there. Third page is another background. Love these colors. And I was trying to create a really interesting color combination with the beige and this really dark green, and I think it works. And some accent on red in there as well. So I think it all works together. Then you got another page with the 3 Cupids dancing and singing and some wonderful damask butterflies. So you've got this really nice deep burgundy. Again, I was trying to create this very matchy palette. And all the pages can be used together, so this is why it's a kit, because everything is been designed to match. Okay. Then you got a page with the 4 different backgrounds, and with this I'm definitely going to make some cards, and I use it as a cards background. So those 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You get of course a page with some tags. It wouldn't be me without some tags. And this is what I do with my digital papers. I'm trying to offer a lot of different things with great value for money. So not just backgrounds, but you get tags, envelopes, gift boxes, etc. So here you get 5 tags with the same size, and then you get those 2 ones that are slightly larger, and each tag has its own butterfly. Then you got a gift box. This is in case you guys are new to me, these are milk carton gift box. So you put it together, that's the base. And then in fact, let me reach out for one. So once it's done up, it's like this. This is an old VIP paper as well. So it opens like that. So you see that one is that one. So you fold it, you pinch it, and that's your gift box. And because the paper do all the work, I only put some sequins in there, and you just put a little peg, and that's your gift box. A bit unusual, but I love it. So get that, and then you get a page, which again I'm going to do another tutorial. So this is designed to be 2 tags with like little pockets. So you fussy cut those and you can slide things in it, and then 2 pockets and some embellishments. 3 gorgeous envelopes. So you've got 1 big envelope there and 2 rectangular ones. Again, each one of those has got a huge butterfly. And another gift box. This is a cube gift box. So while you put it together, it's just a cube, and it's got these gorgeous flowers. The second paper, so normally you get 2, this month for 3. The second one is called Opulent Peacock, and it's got 11 pages. Again, here there is a mixture of background. So that one, that's designed for your journals. If you fold it in half, you've got 1 really big feather. And the color palette on these are basically deep blue, gold and green. So that's the color palettes for this paper collection. And then you've got a really nice pillow box and a huge peacock. They can use like a really nice tag, or you can use it as a notebook as well. Again, more tags. Love it. And I just put some little print in there as well, just to give you something a bit different. Another background, but again I wanted to give you a geometrical background in here to give to something a bit different. And then if you can see, you've got a peacock in there. You've got a page full of feathers. You can use them as an embellishment. Some are black and white, so you can color it in, and some are blues and red. So yeah, I love coloring. So just a different page that you can play with. Another background again, which I thought is split into 2, so you get 2 mirrored images. Another background full of gorgeous feathers. Another gift box similar to the other one, of course, but in blue. And then I got a couple of pages with some ephemera. So you've got 4 vintage ephemera here. I absolutely love this one. and I'm going to use it today. So that's the second page. So you've got 3 images. I love them, absolutely love them. Okay, and then the third one, it's the third kit. This is a little gift from me to you guys, and then it's called Romantic Flowers, and it's a mini kit that you get as a complimentary gift from me this month, and it's got 4 pages. So you've got 1 page with the embellishment, little flowers and some doilies, a page with a gorgeous floral background. Again, the color palette here are pink, purple and dusty pink, and this dark teal, so it's all blend together. You've got a gorgeous background, and then you get a page with some tags and a gorgeous envelope. Okay, so as you can see, all the colors blend together. So yeah, that's what you get. You get a lot this month. It's a little treat to say thank you to all my VIP members. So thank you guys for your love and support. And then if you join today, you get these 3 kits sent to you now, and then you get another one in October, November, December, again until 2024. I am offering a £5 off discount code to all the existing VIP members. They actually resubscribed for the 2nd year in a row, and I thought it's only fair that if I offer the same coupon code to you guys if you want to join. So yeah, so enjoy £5 off your VIP lounge. Add the kit to the cart and then add the code VIP5, just one word, VIP5 at checkout, and that will take £5 off immediately you subscribe. So just want to take 2 minutes to say thank you so much to Pamela, Rita, Eric. Yes, we have a guy. Doesn't happen often, but we do have some guys in the group. So yes, and Martha, and all these lovely guys have joined in June, and it's so heartfelt because Martha, and I've asked her if I have the permission to share, and she gave me the permission. Martha actually bought the VIP subscription for her friend. So her friend, as a birthday present, so her friend, which I get, of course I have a detail, will receive the kits, the discount code and the offer every month for 12 months. Well, I thought, what is a 4th lovely present? So yeah, just to give you some ideas, you want to treat yourself for your birthday or treat somebody else. Okay, so guys, how do you get the freebies? So first of all, these freebies, as per every week, nothing changes. Every Friday, this gets sent to your email address once you join my newsletter. Okay, so you don't have to do anything, just sign up to the newsletter and you will get this freebie every Friday 9 p.m. British time. Of course, if you sign up to the newsletter tonight, unfortunately you won't get this because the newsletter is already sent by the time you watch this video. But you can go to my Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a second, and you will get download all the freebies I have shared in the last 2-3 years. Before I show you my Facebook group, I just want to say thank you first of all to every single one of you recently, and honestly, your support is always much appreciated. And I know I keep saying it in every video, but honestly guys, I mean it with the bottom of my heart. And today, special thanks goes to Claire's Lady Lair, and I'll put Claire's Lady Lair's comment on the screen now. She said that my design always make her smile. And to me, you see, comments like this make me very happy, because everything that I do, no matter if you guys buy it or not, because this is freebies, you get something complimentary for you guys to play with. Anything that I make, if it brings you joy, if it brings you happiness, if it brings you a smile on your face, that means I've done a very good job. And comments like this makes me very, very happy. So thank you so much. I am super happy and I'm delighted that my design brings you joy. Hey guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the three dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Hey guys, I hope you like this video. If you like my Friday freebie series, please consider giving a huge big thumbs up. It really helps my channel here on YouTube and support my journey. Thank you so much. It's much appreciated. Guys, I put a couple of links here on the screen. One where we made some origami hearts pockets where you can store your little ephemera or actually cash or little coins. You can do anything that you want. And another video when we made some other different tags. Again, more videos and inspirations for you guys to carry on watching if you wish. Thank you so much for watching once again, for your support. It really much appreciated. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next Monday, stay safe and well. Bye.